Let me know. Let's get active. Okay. Hold on, where did I put it? There we go. All right, Opal first impression. Now, just like the other fragrances that come in the Game of Spades collection, this one's no different. You got a nice box, diamond collection. Very nice. It says so on the back. All your information right there. Now, these are 90 mLs, but they are parfum concentrations. You open up like here on the side, and this is how the bottle initially sits. Joe Milano on the left, Paris underneath. Very beautiful bottle. Man, let's tap into this fragrance. Let's tap into the fragrance. And I'm glad I'm doing this first because now I can let it sit there for a little while. So we're going to see all phases of it. I might do Opal on one wrist, Chaos on the other. Ooh, excuse me. Okay. First things first. Make sure. Fresh. Yeah, man. Come on. Pressurized atomizer too. Come on, fam. Pressurized atomizer. Oh man, come on. This is nice. So it has some fruits, but somewhere in the opening, I get like a slight barbershop feel. Somewhere in the opening, I get like a slight barbershop feel with this fragrance. I don't know if it's just me. See, in my personal opinion, this fragrance comes off slightly earthy. I can't see this one being like on that mass appealing scale. This one smells like extremely unique in my eyes. Green for sure. Like it definitely has like a nice little bit of a Fougere side to it. So that already makes it somewhat non-mass appealing. Does anybody have this fragrance in the collection? Let me know down in the chat what y'all think about this. Yes, fam. Yes, Walter. This is the Lover's Clone. Yeah, this is the Lover's Clone right here. This is nice though. I actually do like this. But I can't see this one being on that extremely mass appealing. Everybody's enjoying this one. It's somewhat spicy too. Like a slightly on that fresh spicy side. So it has a very strong green side to it. From what I'm picking up, I'm getting a lot of green notes. It's somewhat coming off like a woody vetiver. Somewhat coming off vetiver-ish in a way. And when you really smell it, when you really dive into the fragrance, you can pick up a little bit of freshness, but it's not a main player. It's more so gonna be like on the orange side. So I am getting up like a little bit more of an orange appeal to it. But one thing I can say is like this fragrance is blended together extremely nice. So it's maintaining that like Game of Spades DNA to where they continue to just have great blended fragrances that have a beast mode performance at an affordable rate, especially for a designer. Yeah, they're maintaining that with this one. They are maintaining that with this one. I like this. This is a banger. This is a banger. Let's try this one on skin real quick. Let's see if I'm getting that same thing on skin. Ooh. Bro, look at the sheen. Look at the sheen. Come on. Now, one thing that I am kind of curious to know is what is going to come out when this fragrance starts to transition? Like, what is going to be that main thing that people focus on the mid? Because right now, okay, I take back what I said. Damn it, I take back what I said. You get way more freshness on skin. And on skin, it's a clear difference. Like on skin, you can get the lemon. Like you can get the tartness that it has. It's not on that sweet orange side of things. It's much more so on the lemon. So now you get much more freshness on skin. So this is nice. And you can pick up, even though it's extremely faint, you can pick up a little bit more of the fruits. So you get the freshness from the lemon or the lime, the bergamot, whatever, with one of those. It's not orange. I'm trying to figure out what type of fruit that is. You know what I'm saying? Because it's kind of coming off like that like that pear musk combo that we're kind of used to. It's kind of coming off like that in a way. But the way the green side, like the green notes, the green complexion, whatever green side that you're getting from the fragrance, whatever bougier effects that you're getting from the fragrance, it's coming off much more so vetiver based to me. But oh, this shit is nice. Yeah. Definitely try this one on skin before you try it on strip. This is way better on skin than it is on tester strip. This is like that. Personally, but it is one that I would still say is going to lean extremely more so on the unique side of things. Definitely going to be one that leans much more so on the unique side of things. But a very nice green profile to it. You have to enjoy green fragrance. This is nice. It almost kind of has like a slight aromatic profile to it also. Not lavender, but it's kind of giving off like, I want to say, maybe like some type of clary sage effect to it. Rosemary. Something like that to where it's extremely bright on the green side of things. This is a hit. Yeah. We're going to let this transition a little bit, sit on the skin. We're going to see how this fragrance wears. But right now, just off of first impression and off of initial sprays, absolute beast in my opinion. I like it. Now, let's switch over to the second fragrance. Let's see how Opal changed first. Let's chop into Opal. Still green, but it's kind of going woody now. Think of like damn it, I got a fragrance that this. If you've gotten your hands on Carolina Birds of Paradise, this one right here, Opal kind of has a transition. That mid is reminding me very much so of that. Because for some reason now I feel like I'm starting to get like some fig. You know what I'm saying? Like, or not fig, cypress, fir. You know what I'm saying? I'm starting to get that. So it's extremely beautiful. I'm not even gonna hold you. I like it. I like this. I like the transition. Now you don't have that freshness. That freshness died down big time. But you're definitely now much more so getting that cypress, that fir, a very pleasant scent in my personal opinion. With still that woody base. This is nice. Opal is nice. Now we're gonna switch on over. I want to switch back over to. You got to get down real quick. Okay, so let's go back to Opal. Now again, when we first started off, just a recap. When we first started off on skin, it was much more brighter. You got a lot more freshness on skin compared to on tester strip. It was a lot more green side on skin. Beautiful freshness, bergamot, lemon. It's up there. You got a lot of it, and it's very somewhat tart in a way. A very nice green side to the fragrance. Now, in the opening, it just comes off like a very nice fougere mixed with a slight spicy aspect to it. But you can kind of get an idea of where it's transitioning to. Now, once it got past the opening and we started to go to the mid, that's where if you got in your hands, again, I'm gonna keep speaking to this because right now, even as I'm still smelling this fragrance is very much so reminding me of Carolina Herrera Birds of Paradise. Very much so, especially again once you start to get past that opening, because in the transition in the mid, now I'm getting a lot more of what's coming off like some cypress. I'm getting something that's coming off much more so like some fir, like very green, very bright, very outdoorsy, somewhat earthy, extremely nice. I like this, and still woody. Still getting a little bit of woody drops, backdrops, but right now it's so much of the fir and so much of the not rosemary. What's the thing? I literally just said that shit. Cypress, yeah, bro, yeah. It's a lot of it, man. It's a lot of it. It's a lot of gourmand fans. I'm telling you right now, this ain't gourmand. This is earthy. This is not in that sweet vein. Because I was somewhat expecting some type of sweetness to come out, or even like some myrrh, something with some resins, something. No, this fragrance is staying Fujier throughout the whole time. I can't wait to pour this one onto the to wear this one. So definitely let me know y'all thoughts on this one. Have you gotten this one in your collection? How does that description compare to what Opal is supposed to be, or what Lovers is supposed to be from Louis Vuitton? Because for me personally, I don't know what Lovers is smelling like, but I would say that this fragrance is leaning much more so towards Carolina Birds of Paradise than I would say Louis V Lovers. I would love to know y'all thoughts down in the chat. Let me know y'all thoughts down in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And then last but not least, we're going to, oh, there go the bottom. We're going to go back into Chaos.